Hi, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jay, the kitchen summoner, and welcome to my chronicles. Today I'll be showing you how I made this amazing corned beef veggie sauce using leftover Agoyin sauce. So kindly like my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and let's get down to this easy gorgeous dish. So yeah, I'll be adding some oil. It could be canola oil, groundnut oil, a bit of spices, curry, and some thyme. Stir that up to release its essence. Now add your corned beef. I like frying my corned beef first because I prefer the taste once it's a bit fried. Now add your onions, give that a good stir. Now it's time to add your Agoyin sauce. Yes, this is key in this dish. And then you give that a good stir until it's combined on low heat, like you can see. Once it's combined properly, add a bouillon cube. Do not add salt. Add your chopped carrot or your grated carrot, give that a good stir. Now add your cabbage, stir that up, cover and allow to simmer. Once it has simmered for like about 3 minutes, now add your bell peppers. I'm using the red and the green ones here. Stir that up, add the spring onions, give that a good stir, and fam, it is ready. Like, this tastes so amazing. It is great for canapes. I had mine with grilled plantains and it was awesome. Thank you for going on this journey with me. Until next time, guys. Mwah!